friends. There are a lot of familiar faces, which I'm really happy to see. A lot of new faces. I'm Robin. We're now friends. We can hang after. It's cool. I just want to say hello to all of my Oakdale friends. You guys came out in force. I love that, so thank you. And Matt and Tanya, you guys are a great surprise today. I'm just saying. Okay. We're going to keep along with the, feel-good stuff. This is called Let It Rain. I stood there and prayed. I prayed to my God and I prayed to the clouds. Won't you let it rain? Let it rain on me today. 'Cause the rain wash it all away. So many thoughts that I hide from myself, huddle scared deep inside. I need to learn to break free from my insecurities. Get off of this damn ride. Oh, let it rain. Oh, let it rain on me today. 'Cause the rain wash it all away. In the book of life, you can start every day brand new. But first I must rinse my soul and try to stay off the wrong avenues. Let it rain, oh let it rain on me today. 'Cause